Hello! This is one of the problems that you had in your quiz for equivalent fractions. Fill in the missing factors to show that 2/3 is equivalent to 8/12. To begin, we write 2/3, and we have to decide what here can we multiply by to get 8/12. All right, we're looking for a factor, something times 2 that gives us 8. I'm thinking that's 4, and something times 3 that gives us 12. We want the same factor for both the numerator and the denominator. So let's check this. And let's go to the next one. Oh, I can't click next. Let's move my recording box. All right, so we're thinking, what can we multiply 10/6 by so that we get 30/18? Well, we need the same number that we can multiply both the top and bottom by. Well, 10 times what number gives us 30? Let's see if that works for the bottom. 6 times what number gives us 18? And 3 would be correct. All right, for this one, they don't give us the question mark bar here to see what do we multiply the top and bottom by, the numerator and denominator. So we have to think. Take the two numbers we know. We can see both denominators and think 5 times what number gives me 25? And you're probably thinking 5 right now. So what you do to the bottom, you multiply by on the top. So 4 times 5 gives me 20. All right, this is the last one we'll do together, and then you're on your own. So we're thinking 8/3. What can we multiply the numerator and denominator by to give us something over 9? Take the two numbers you know. What's the connection? Okay, we're thinking we have 3 times what number would equal 9? Well, 3 times 3. What I do to the bottom, I have to multiply by on the top. 8 times 3, you guessed it, 24. And that's how we do equivalent fractions.